And welcome back to another tutorial by Jane's Daughters. I'm Lindsay.
Hi, I'm Kim.
And we are so excited to bring you pretty much a Dollar Tree tutorial tonight.
Yeah.
Which we're super excited about.
It's Dollar Tree. It's going to be a cute summer arrangement. Actually, this arrangement could go into fall because we're using sunflowers. That I picked up these cute pots at the Dollar Tree. You know, just the tin with the embellishment,
around
the
it.
jute embellishment.
And it already comes with the jute wrapped
It
around
already
it
comes
at the Dollar
$1.
Tree.
You're going to need some foam, Floors foam, which you can get at the Dollar Tree. Various flowers. I picked these sunflowers up at the Dollar Tree.
Mine too?
Yes, yours
These are
too.
pretty for...
They just came in.
Okay.
They're in the fall line for this year.
Okay.
Your little white flowers came from the Dollar Tree. Those red embellished mint flowers, these came from the Dollar Tree.
Okay.
These purple came from the Dollar Tree.
Oh, wow.
These did not. We're gonna, these greens came from one of my floral suppliers.
You can find a lot of greens at the
Yes.
Dollar Tree, but you can also shop at your local fabric store. They have so many amazing greens, and I know most fabric stores have, or craft stores, I should say. Michael's
Yes.
has a lot of florals, and they always have some on sale.
Exactly.
So you always can get 40 to 50% off some greens for
Yes.
sure.
And a ribbon optional if you want to put a bow on this arrangement. We're going to kind of weigh it as we go. Some Spanish, this is not Spanish moss. This is more of just a dried moss that I thought would look a little bit better with the feel of this arrangement.
Where did you get that one?
That I just picked up at like a Michael's.
Okay. Great.
Wire, always wire. Scissors, your hot glue gun, wire cutters, and I think we're good to go.
Now, what is this stuff?
This is actually called Angel Vine.
Okay.
I picked this up at one of my suppliers. It's just a real versatile vine that just adds a lot of texture, which I like to use sometimes.
I love that.
So I'm going to get started. This is kind of a deep pot, which you don't need, so you don't waste a lot of foam. I kind of fill it a little bit with some tissue paper. Then I'll add my floral foam. And because the foam doesn't go the whole way to the bottom, I am actually using some floral tape. Now this isn't like the tape you use, you know, when you made your burlap flowers.
Okay.
This actually has a stickiness to it,
Which is a real stickiness.
a real stickiness. So you don't need to overlap it much. But I just want to be able to secure that piece of foam right there into the container.
I think you could use any floral tape for that.
Do you think?
I think
It
even the
kinda
one that
doesn't
you can get
stick,
at the
you
Dollar
think?
Tree. It does stick.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Now I'm going to give a nice coat of hot glue. We're going to add some of this moss. A little bit more in the back here. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of my angel vine for some texture to it. I'm going to just kind of tuck that in.
Mom had already started mine, so that's why I'm not
Yes.
doing anything right now.
Yes, I wanted one already good to go. Now, as I've said in previous tutorials, we always like to work with threes when it comes to florals. So we're going to start out with our sunflowers as our main focal flower. And we're going to put one right here.
Kind of like the top left.
Top left a little bit, yes.
We're almost putting them in levels. So this is going to be like a higher level. and then a little off to the right, still kind of towards the middle, but a little bit more in the front, you're gonna put in your second one.
I don't think I want those leaves in there.
I don't think so either. And then your third one, you're kind of going to put in the center, a little bit lower, bottom.
A little bit lower, like this.
So I'm gonna adjust mine a little bit.
Yeah, cute.
So it kind of looks like that.
Now you're gonna want to add like a accent flower to kind of give it some depth. Maybe right there in that triangle between those two flowers.
Okay.
And one over here off to the left. And maybe another one just towards the back there, because we have another. What else?
Yeah, I'm just kind of filling it in. I'm making another triangle and filling it in.
Yes.
Working with my threes.
Then we're going to add this rusty red color.
Put one straight back. I'm going to do one on either side.
Put that one right there.
Okay. So it looks so far.
All right. Now, I thought that little off-white flower would look really cute with yours.
Yes.
I'm going to go with a white flower in mine. I'm going to just put one right there. Maybe one over here. Actually, put one right in there. And one here.
Sticking to my triangles. I put that one in the front.
All right, now we're going to take this green and we're just going to kind of make a perimeter at the bottom of this.
Oh, you're kind of like cascading it almost.
Yes, I kind of want to cascade it.
Actually, what I think I'm going to do is make it taller up top and cascade it on the bottom.
Hey, you do whatever you
We're going to experiment and see.
whatever floats your boat. And see how quickly we put this together.
So
It
quickly.
really takes no time at all. I have these berries here that I was just...
Oh, that'd be pretty in yours.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay. Now these are just these aren't like your these are just a thicker berry. I think I actually just picked these up at a sale. A neighborhood sale, yard sale.
I don't think I was going to use all this, but I think I am.
Yeah, I think it really just gives it so much texture.
I think I do want to make it a little fuller. I really love this. This is...
I know, it didn't come
So with the
together
greens,
so
you really
quickly.
just fill in. You kind of
I just kind
fill
of
in where you need.
went around the bottom perimeter. I just don't even know if I want a bow. Do I want a bow?
Let's make a bow and then...
Okay, let's make a bow. See, for me, I think I like this for mine. Y'all think?
Yeah.
I like that for mine.
So these berries come from a local wholesale supplier. I have seen these at some craft stores as well, and you can always order them. I've seen them on Amazon.
I'll put a bow in mine.
I love that. We do have a bow tutorial that I am going to link in the description of this video. So if you do not know how to make a bow, go ahead and watch that and you will know. There are so many amazing ribbons available at the Dollar Tree, especially if you're just making 1 or 2 projects, because I think the ribbon is only a few yards.
Yes,
in
it's
length.
probably enough to make one bow.
One
But
bow.
you figure the bow costs you
$1. And when you mentioned that you made yours, you stuck it with a skewer, I do want to demonstrate how that happens. So this skewer we got in a set at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, I think
You
you get
just-
like 50 of them.
You break off maybe a few inches of one.
Well,
I think that would be fine.
yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and make my bow, and then I'll show you how to attach the skewer. You just do it with the wire that you're already creating, that you're already using to create the bow. Okay, so then I'm going to take the skewer and just kind of wrap the wire around it, right?
Yeah.
And after you do that a few times, the skewer will be pretty secure. And you can use the skewer. It's a great way to stick that into the foam.
Okay.
Finish off my ribbons super fast. Sorry, guys.
So for probably under $10, super, super cute.
Cute summer into fall arrangement made from mostly Dollar Tree items. Hope you guys loved this video. Please click that you liked it, subscribe, comment, let us know how you like it. We would love to get a picture on Instagram or Facebook. Send us your creations and share, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a great one.
Happy crafting.